Welcome to another exciting session. Today in this session we are going to learn a new letter. But before we start the class, what do we always do? Welcome song. So let's do welcome song. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Now, can you recognize anyone? Which letter is this? Which letter is this? No one knows. Ma'am will tell you, okay? This is letter I. Which letter? Letter I. This is capital I and this is small I. Which I? Small I. Okay. Now, my lovely student, tell me, if your nose itches, how you will react? You will itch. Yes or no? Yes? Now let's do the rhymes of letter I. Okay? I am itching on my nose, ink on me, Once more. I am itching on my nose, ink on me, Clap for yourself. Very good. Now, what we have learned from these rhymes? What we have learned? We have learned the sound of letter I. The sound of letter I. So what is the sound of letter I? The sound of letter I is Yes, the sound of letter I is Okay. The sound of letter I is I for igloo, igloo. I for ink, ink. I for ice cream, ice cream. I for ink pot, ink pot. I for ice cream, ice cream. I for insects, insects. Okay, I for iguana, iguana. So this is the words of letter I. Okay? Yes? Did you enjoy? Yes, very nice. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Lovely student, are you ready to do some magic? Yes, very good. Now tell me, which letter is this? This is letter I. And what is the sound of letter I? Okay, and how we will write letter I? Let's see. Standing line, come down. One sleeping line at the top. And one more sleeping line at the bottom. This is uppercase AI. And this is lowercase I. See how ma'am will write, okay? Standing line, come down, make a tail. And one dot is there. This is lowercase I. Okay? Now show me your magic pencil. Show me your magic pencil. Yes? Ready? One standing line. Then sleeping line. Again at the bottom, sleeping line. This is capital I. And how we will write small I? One standing line, come down, come, make a small tail, and one dot is there. This is lower I. And what is the sound of lowercase I? Okay? Now show me your palm. Here we will write I, okay? Standing line, come down, one sleeping line, one more sleeping line. This is capital I. And standing line, come down, make a tail, and one dot. This is lowercase I, okay? You enjoy? Yes? Very nice. Ma'am will meet you again in another session, okay? Till then, bye-bye. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? Bye.